my name is Patt Gregory. I live in Mullumbimby, northern New South Wales, and I'm a woodworker. I think that working with wood is a real close connection with nature. The colour of it, the sensation of it, the heaviness of it. So many things remind us that this is from the forest. And everyone that comes, the thread that joins us all together is that we love wood. Woodwork for Women is a small boutique backyard business that started with just a few hand tools and a few women, and it's built into something that's become part of Mullumbimby. The favourite part of what I do is teaching complete beginners. To take them from woe to go is so exciting. To have them walk out of the workshop and know that they can handle buying some wood and starting a project with a few hand tools is absolutely amazing for me. I'm currently using my woodworking skills outside of Woodwork for Women on a community project for building a tiny home for someone who's become homeless. It's not just the building, it's the camaraderie between us, the connection between us. It's an incredible project, and it's lovely for me to go out into the community and work. I think what woodwork can do for people, other than connecting with other people, it really brings your focus in. So you can't think about the laundry or what to have for dinner. You have to focus only on woodwork, and you can get lost in that. Out of your head and into your hand.